All right, so 30 days I went without ChatGPT and I strictly stuck with Claude. Now, Claude AI is a big hit, but I want to kind of give you a breakdown of how much has changed since ChatGPT and Claude came into public eye. So I have switched and I said, hey, I'm going to delete ChatGPT and I could see if I could truly get down with using Claude for everything. Now, we know a lot of people just use ChatGPT as like, hey, how do I make this recipe? Or they try to use it as a glorified Google search and they just get an answer out of it. The difference with ChatGPT and with Claude in my 30-day trial run, I guess you could say, is Claude truly became an AI executive assistant to me. You see, when I go into ChatGPT, there's a lot of GPTs you can work with, and it's a little chaotic. It almost reminds me of being on a GitHub platform or something like that. And I'm not really techie. So for people like you and me that just want to get things done and have it simplified, when you're inside of the UI of Claude, it really does that. It simplifies your workflow. And when you tell it to do something, it truly does it as if a human being is working right alongside you. So picture Claude being your executive assistant and you say, hey, John, or hey, Stacy, I need you to get this Excel file. I need you to break up all the numbers and I want you to give me the forecast of Q1 and Q2 of where we're at sales wise. Also, I want you to give me last year's numbers. So all I have to do is say, here's all the numbers from last year and the current year. I need you to put a comparison together. And Claude AI truly does that. Now, depending on the project, on the scale, the complexity, it could take anywhere from 1 minute to 10 minutes to maybe even 20 minutes. The longest I had to wait was 5 minutes. In the 5 minutes that I had to wait, it did the workflow for me in such an amazing manner that I personally wouldn't be able to do. For me, I have to go in 3 data programs, pull them down for Power BI, Salesforce, all these other programs. And then I have to make an Excel sheet from scratch. But the best part is now when I'm doing proposals and now when I'm putting stuff together, I really didn't miss ChatGPT at all because I never really used ChatGPT for any of that. The most I got out of ChatGPT in my personal experience is it would review a PDF document, it would review a contract, and I would say, hey, is there a clause that I need to know about? Is there a COI form that I need to be aware of? Because it's like a 30-page contract that I had to look at for a client. Now with Claude AI, it doesn't just review contracts. It doesn't just review Excel sheets. It actually organizes them. Another great example that I have where it broke down work for me within 5 minutes, that would have took me about 5 hours. I had to create a proposal for a client with over 100 SKUs of product. Not only that, but I had to get the price point on the SKUs. I had to categorize them and I had to put them in an organized manner so they could read it easily. Basically a price sheet. The way it works in my company is I have to go into a program, export it all, find each and every single item. So I have to go through each category. And then when I export it, I have to organize that all myself. It did it within 5 minutes. Not only that, but it created a customer facing sheet that just made it super simple to use. Now, let me tell you why that's important. The importance of it is because AI is only going to make our jobs and our life easier. If you have a mundane task and you're doing something that's very clerical or data entry type, then you should probably be worried about your job being taken by AI. But if you're doing something like on my end, sales, enterprise sales, something where people truly need to talk to someone face to face, there needs to be site visits, there needs to be customer relations, procurement team, legal team, all of that stuff. No one's going to be sending that to an AI agent. They're going to want a real person connecting with them saying, hey, this is what we offer. This is what we can guarantee. This is the clause and this is the contract. That is where Claude comes in. Now that I have this workflow understanding with Claude, I know that one, my proposals are going to look a lot more professional. My data entry and analysis, my price sheets, everything, all the reports I need to make are going to be literally probably 10 times easier and faster. And what that's going to do is going to allow me to focus on what I'm best at, which is selling, talking to people, and giving them proposals. Instead of all this mundane, busy work that still is included with my sales job, I'm only going to be really focusing on revenue generating activities. And that is really big, especially looking at it from a company perspective. And those are just a few examples. Another thing that Claude AI is really great at is, say your company sells HVAC, right? And you want to make a proposal that looks a lot better than a typical PowerPoint slideshow. What you could easily do is you go into Claude, you copy and paste the link to your company's website. Say it's John's HVAC, whatever. You copy that, you paste it, and you literally tell Claude Design. You say, hey, I need you to make a proposal, a simple 3-page. This is what we do. This is what we offer, service type for a customer to see. You give them that link and you say, based off of this link and this website, I want you to look at this website and create that proposal. And if you want to add like, we're efficient, we're cost effective, and we work great with B2B, include that as well. When you do that with Claude Design, it will literally not only make a proposal for you, but it'll make a proposal that isn't AI looking real weird and cheesy, kind of like ChatGPT does it, where everyone kind of knows it's AI, like it's very obvious. This looks like you had a design firm come in and edit the entire proposal. And when it did the one I used that I am now using for outbound, it is just amazing, because even with my marketing team in-house, they couldn't come up with a proposal looking that good. So now that I'm going to be more efficient, I'm going to be able to focus on creating more revenue, and I'm going to be able to present better quality proposals to clients. That's going to really draw them in and separate us from the rest of the competition. This is where the dollar signs started lighting up in my head. And that's just the beginning of what Claude Design does. I don't want to be a fanboy here and just talk about Claude all day long. There are some cons to Claude. When it comes to voice speech and talking to ChatGPT directly, the voice dictation and talking to ChatGPT, I feel like it works a lot better and it's a lot more efficient, and it's honestly just a lot simpler. What I have found is when I talk to ChatGPT and ask it for a simple command, even on the basic setting, it'll spit out a reply email. It'll give me a breakdown of how to make a recipe. It'll tell me something about health or my heart or my head, and obviously it'll say not recommended medical advice legally. It'll do all those things, and it'll even break down conversations very easily. Like, hey, I talked to my buddy Steve last week. He told me he was going through a breakup. How could I help him out? He doesn't want to get in the dating scene. He doesn't want to go out partying and looking for loose women. He wants to focus on whatever. It'll help me reiterate and help me respond to that, whether it's through a text, whether it's through a phone call, voicemail, and it just simplifies everything when it comes to ChatGPT. Now, outside of that, it doesn't really serve me when I need complex tasks. A lot of times I have tried all the GPTs, not all of them, but a lot of them, the ones with the high reviews, and they really couldn't help me organize Excel sheets or do PowerPoint presentations. It was very limited. And whenever I wanted it to create something, most of the time it would take me out on a third-party link, and then I'd kind of be obligated to sign up for a subscription. So that got really annoying. With Claude Design, it does everything for you. Now it'll make the proposal, it'll make video transitions for your videos like YouTube, and it just really simplifies everything that you need when it comes to getting real professional work done. The only caveat with Claude Design is there is a limit, and I made about maybe 10 to 12 animations for video on my YouTube channel. They came out amazing. They look great. They even have them with sounds, but the usage gets filled up very, very quickly, and then you got to start dropping more and more money. Realistically, I could have Claude Design make all my video animations as long as I'm only doing one per week, and then I'll be good. Any higher, I'm already on the pro plan. I would have to go up another tier, which I believe is $200 a month. That'll give me, I think, 10 or 20 more times more usage than what I have now. So when it comes down to it, if you're using ChatGPT as a Google search and that's kind of all you need, then you're probably in a good spot. But if you truly want to use it for work, if you truly want to see AI become your personal assistant for just $20 a month, this is where Claude really outshines. And I'm not just saying that. I'm not sponsored by any of them. I'm still going to switch back to ChatGPT. But when you find that sweet spot and you start using Claude on a daily basis, and you realize, wow, I could get my reports better, I could get my proposals and make more money in a more efficient way, this is where it's a cherry on top. The one thing I would recommend though is if you start using Claude AI or any AI system that is benefiting you at work, it's making you more efficient and more importantly, making you more money, promotions, all that stuff, keep it to yourself, because once this catches fire, it's going to take a little while. If there's like people that are a little afraid of AI and hesitant, let them be afraid, let them be hesitant. Don't tell any of your coworkers how you get these proposals done. Just say, hey, I got a few buddies to help me out, or I have some friends. Keep it to yourself. And you know who that buddy is? It's going to be Claude. It's going to be ChatGPT. whichever one you want to pick. Keep it to yourself. Allow it to be your stealth secret that's going to make you stand out. And I'll tell you right now, it's already happening. My job, my proposals are getting a lot better, getting more responsive. My emails, reply backs from prospects, when they need something and I need to put it together for them, it's a lot quicker. They're blown away. They're impressed. It just makes everything easier. So let me know what you think. If you think that Claude is a little bit better, you're still on the ChatGPT team, go ahead and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.